will activate the video. So this is connected on the cloud, so the video, I will receive the video from the server, from him to the server and back to me. So of course there is some latencies, so let's activate it. Okay, he can see you, of course, and I can control his head if I would like to. Okay, let's try with this. So there is only 3 images per second, not to the bandwidth is very low here, so that's the reason why there is some saccade. So he's a good imitator. Can drive Italian car, which is very important. Can talk in different languages, but one thing is very interesting. Okay, is that he can recognize Dell logo. With kind of so if I put this one of those in front of his face, I will activate the behavior. So when he's ready, he will tell me. You have to wait a little bit because it's a very complicated sequences. Ciao, it's ready. So I will put this logo, which in case it's the company just Dell bought it. It was 6 months ago, and ask him to recognize the logo.
Questo è facile. Trattasi di del cace, giusto?
Giusto, please continue.
Ti posso dire che è il fornitore leader di sistemi di gestione su appliance. È veramente una formidabile soluzione per realtà di qualsiasi grandezza. Mi incoraggio a scoprirla. Dunque non esitare a porre domande al mio amico al riguardo. Hanno anche a disposizione una demo online. Vorresti giocare con un altro logo del...
No, it's okay, thank you. You did well. Okay. Of course, when you are very polite, so when you do something you have to be cool with the audience. Well done, great. So let's try to do some little demo like Tai Chi. He's a good teacher of Tai Chi, which is Japanese unstressed things. So let me show you now. I will ask him to sit down a little bit because because we have the press here, so I would like to show you not this amazing interface, but the real interface to program the robot. So that's the first time I'm showing it today, doing the show. So I will close this. The software behind is called Choregraph, which is when you buy the robot for university, when the university is buying the robot, they have this software delivered with it. So this really object programmation, so it means that program. So if I want to create animation, like to stand up, create behavior, and then ask him to sit down again, I don't have to type 1,000 line of codes to do it. I just need to select those boxes, and say, okay, first of all, please execute this instruction and this one, and then end of the sequences. Okay? So of course here we are not connected to Nao, so I will ask him to get connected to the robot. Here you can see is the virtual robot is like this, but when we get connected he will take exactly the same position of the robot here. So now we are connected. So here are all the behaviors that just play with the nice interface. So I will ask him to execute the code. So I'm sending the instruction to the robot. Here is the instruction are here, and this is uploading. So here you see the green light. Ask him to stand up. You see the movement here. We are still connected, interacting with him. Now I ask him to sit down, and he will end up the sequences. Of course, it seems to be very simple, like this, but behind those boxes, there is a lot of boxes. You see, instruction, condition, and so on. But what is interesting here is that you can imagine that to create any kind of behavior easily if you are not comfortable with codes. So this is why it's very interesting. And if you are very comfortable with codes, like programmer, you can program in C++, on Python, or any kind of languages. It's open. So there is some SDK available. So, I mean, if you buy this, but I mean, not on your own because it has to be buy by a university or by research, you can program it very easily like this, or I mean stronger if you are very comfortable with code. So boxes that you have for the voice, you have boxes for any kind of things. You have conditional boxes. If you are doing this, please insert that and do this and so on. It's very sophisticated languages. It seems to be simple like this, but it's a bit much more tricky. The interface that we asked the guys to develop for us. Okay, we are connected. We get all this. We are here. This interface is connected to a server. It's not like what I did with the software. It was connected directly. But with this interface, we are connected on the server on the cloud. And the robot is also connected on the cloud. So we are interacting with each other like that.